All right, guys. On the quiz on Friday, I want to go some mistakes or errors I saw on the quiz. All right. For example, I had this equation. Um, well, the mistakes I saw students were doing, they were trying to distribute the first step in the process, and what they would do is they would add the two and the four. All right, they will do that. Add a two and a four, get six, and then try to distribute with a six. Just can't do that. And the order of operation states that you must multiply first. So you have to multiply by the four first. Multiply 2x by four, and then the second term 1 by 4. Okay? You cannot have you cannot add the 2 and the 4 and then try to multiply what's inside parentheses. Okay? Just can't do that. So let me erase this. Okay. And I'm using the busted pencil. All right. So that was one mistake. The other mistake I came across, students were distributing. So they brought the two down, and they did the first part correctly. They multiplied 4 times 2x, which gave them 8x. However, instead of multiplying 4 by 1, they were adding. They add 4 and 1 to get 5. Okay? I came across that. Again, you can't do that. It's a multiplication. So you have to multiply everything inside the parentheses, all right, by the 4. All right, so that was the second mistake I came across. Um, the next mistake I came across, I saw one student, for instance, just suppose they solved the equation and it came down to the end. I suppose they had like 3x is less than or equal to 24. All right. The goal now is to get x by itself, to isolate x by itself. And what they're doing is they're dividing the negative 3x by negative 3x on both sides. Again, uh, that's not what you want to do. You want to get x. You want to get x by itself. So you have to divide, right? The inverse operation is divide by negative 3, but not negative 3x. All right? Right. And that would go away. And of course, you're left with x. Now, because you divide by negative 3, right, the sign would flip and you get the negative 8. Okay? So that was one mistake I saw again. And I think that was another mistake I came across. Again, um, I have some students there, they're still not understanding that you cannot combine the x term and the integer. So, for instance, let's distribute this real quick. We get 2 plus 8x plus 4 less than or equal to 6x plus 1. Okay? Again, after you do this, you want to combine like terms. So I found kids, for instance, they want to get their minusing the 1 on the right side, but they come across here and then minusing the 1 from the 8x. Um, just can't do that. Another mistake again I came across is they're okay. They want to keep the x on one side, on the left side, so they're going to subtract the negative 6x. However, in the process, on the left side, they only write 6. They drop the x in the process. And so, in the entire solving the equation, they forgot that this is a 6x term and end up adding 2 plus 6 get 8, 8 plus, 8x. Okay? Again, keep your x's with you as you go through the equation. Don't drop them off. Don't leave them somewhere on the road. Okay? I think that was extent of it. All right. If you can avoid these mistakes, of course, signs. You gotta, review some videos on how to use negative and positive. That's something you just gotta work on your own to get better at. If you can avoid these mistakes, you will find on the test. Okay.